Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. We are on week, or day, June 26th. So the week of that. And this was another one, you guys, that I remember watching as a child. And it is Tom and Jerry. I just love watching these guys. So what I did is I found this picture of a building, and you see the window, and I just did some distressing on the side, and then I outlined it, and then I found this image of Tom and Jerry, and I got their name going up there, and then a little mouse hole to go in, and this is the week June 26th. I don't have the week on the back. I didn't do that, but it's just the third week of June. It's hard to believe we're that far. But there it is, Tom and Jerry. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember, go check out Sabrina, as in Sabrina _crafty _journeys channel. She's also doing the ATCs. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.